Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook snow crab legs at home. First, ensure your frozen snow crab legs are completely thawed. You can do this by placing them in the refrigerator overnight, which takes about 8 to 12 hours, or by running them under cold water for approximately 30 minutes. Thawing is crucial for even cooking and to prevent a rubbery texture. Steaming is often considered the best method for preserving the delicate flavor and texture of snow crab. To steam, add about 1 inch of water to a large pot and bring it to a rolling boil. Place a steamer basket inside, making sure the water doesn't touch the crab. Arrange your thawed snow crab legs in the basket, cover tightly, and steam for 5 to 7 minutes until they are heated through. Boiling is another quick and easy way to prepare snow crab legs. Fill a large pot with water, leaving enough room for the crab. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt for every quart of water to enhance the flavor. Bring the water to a vigorous boil, then carefully add your thawed snow crab legs. Boil them for 3 to 5 minutes. They are already cooked, so you're just reheating them until they are piping hot. Once your snow crab legs are perfectly heated, it's time to enjoy them. Carefully remove them from the pot with tongs and serve immediately. They pair wonderfully with melted butter, fresh lemon wedges, and a sprinkle of Old Bay seasoning. Don't forget some side dishes like corn on the cob or a crisp salad. Use a nutcracker or kitchen shears to easily access that sweet, tender meat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.